Raspberries. Look at this beautiful moss. I've been doing a lot of research on moss lately, and I don't know if you can tell how beautiful this is, but it's just gorgeous, and it's so soft. So I have a lot of different types of patches of mosses growing here, and I'm going to look into what they are. I think this is a different type over here. Oh, it is, and it feels much different. But it's so pretty, and so many different shades of green. Here's some growing up this tree here. And the more I look in my little patches of grass, there is moss just about everywhere. Here's another beautiful patch. It likes damp wooded areas, and I've got plenty of that. So, could you imagine this whole area back here, just a mossy lawn? That, I'm thinking, would be so awesome. So I think that's what I'm going to attempt to do. And could you imagine mossy paths throughout the woods here? Let's see if I created just some path working throughout the woods with moss, and then, I mean, it's gorgeous back here, but could you imagine try to imagine splatters of colors. There are some wildflowers that like wooded areas, and I think this fall I'm going to plant some bulbs back here and sow some seeds back here, And next spring, maybe we'll get some splashes of color. So those are my thoughts today. I'm just here, hanging out. It's Tuesday. I just got finished working. And I just thought I'd come up here and check out the baby birds, see if more of them hatched what they did. And yeah, I've been contemplating moss, researching moss. So we'll see where that goes. Anyway, I gotta put some more stakes in. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.